Tutorial voiceover edition. So I'm applying the P.louise base in the shade Rumour 2, and I'm blending that out using my fingers. Best way to blend this out, actually. Then I go in using the Ace Beauty palette. This is the second shade, and I'm applying that right above the crease and blending it out. Then I go in using the third shade. I put that into the crease and all over the lid. Next, I'm using the shade Accent in the Glamlite X Mikayla palette. Love this palette. Then some beauty tape. Add that liner. I'm using the Epic Ink Liner by NYX Cosmetics. This liner, I have a hate and love relationship with it because sometimes I peel it and it's perfect, and sometimes it looks like that. What is that? It's like smudged or runny, but it's okay. I clean it up with a wipe, and we're back in business, baby. So now I am connecting the inner corner with the liner, and then I use Yummy Yellow, which is another base by P.louise, and I apply that as a liner and in the inner corner. Then I set that using the shade Handy in the Glamlite X Mikayla palette, add the same brown shades to the lower lash line, add my favorite lash, and the look is done. Follow for more.